Hi, it's Don with Thinix, and we're going to demonstrate some of the new features in RetroUI Pro version 3. We have a Windows 8 computer in front of us, and we have RetroUI Pro enabled, so you can see that the taskbar is available at the bottom of the screen. One of the things you'll notice about using Windows 8 on multi-monitor computers is that the Windows 8 start screen and Windows 8 apps are restricted to using only one monitor at a time. So I can use the start screen on this monitor, or I can move it to a different monitor, and you'll see that RetroUI reveals a taskbar on each monitor, but the problem is still that we can only use one monitor at a time. So if we open an app, like the travel app here, you'll see that the travel app opens. We have, that was a saved window position, we have the ability to open applications at predefined sizes. So I have mine configured to open at 80% of the screen, and then we can push F12 on the keyboard and expand this app to run full screen. But the problem is we still have two monitors out here that don't have anything on them. So some new technology from Thinix enables us to run this application across multiple displays. So I'm going to hit Control-Alt-F5 on the keyboard, and I'm going to enable SuperSize. And so what RetroUI just did was it took this application, created a virtual display, and it's running this Windows 8 application across three monitors. So if I hit F12 on the keyboard, we see we have an edge-to-edge display with this travel application running. So now I'm going to open a 360-degree view, and in here now we can pan around, and we can use this application quite effectively, and it's really a neat experience. So basically RetroUI Pro SuperSize technology enables us to create a virtual display that combines the area of all the monitors, and it allows the Windows 8 apps to use the entire display. So if we want to take this out of that mode, I can hit Control-F5 again, take it out of SuperSize, and our app is over here, and you can see it's kind of oddly positioned. So we have a feature that's like Arrow Snap, so you can take this app, drag it to the top of the screen and drop it, and it'll snap to that full screen. Or you drag it to the edge of the screen and snap half screen. I can drag it down here at the bottom and it'll snap half screen over here. Or we can just resize the window any place we want it. Or I can make it borderless on any screen. So the technology from RetroUI enables us to combine multiple monitors. We can use one monitor, two monitors, three monitors, or more. The monitors don't have to be configured the same way. They don't have to be the same geometry. You can have any configuration of taskbars. One quick tip is if we have a taskbar that's configured like this, this taskbar will block SuperSize from combining all these displays. So if we enable SuperSize now, we'll see that SuperSize just uses the area of these two monitors, and it puts a blanking window over this one. So real quick, if we go back to the Metro start screen, we can see that the Metro start screen and any other applications will be running across all three displays. And obviously this also works for games. Real quick view here of the Star Wars app for Windows 8, and I'll try to get it started quickly. So we'll launch this, and I'll hit F12. So now we have a full screen view of Angry Birds Star Wars Edition running on all these monitors. And you can see that the game plays normally, and it's full resolution that uses the resolution of all the monitors. So this is three 1920 by 1080 displays. So that's a quick overview of RetroUI Pro version 3 with SuperSize technology running on three displays. Thank you.